Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream caramel with jelly. First, gather all your ingredients and prepare your molds. We will start by creating the rich caramel base, then move on to the creamy custard. Next, we'll add a colorful jelly layer, ensuring a beautiful presentation. Finally, I'll share tips for chilling and serving this delightful treat. To begin, melt sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Carefully pour this hot caramel into your molds, swirling to coat the bottom. Next, whisk together 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and a quarter cup of sugar until well combined. Strain this mixture to remove any lumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth custard. Once your cream caramel has chilled and set completely, it's time for the jelly. Prepare your chosen jelly flavor according to the package instructions, allowing it to cool slightly but not set. Gently pour this cooled liquid jelly over the firm cream caramel layer in each mold. This step adds a wonderful contrast in both color and texture. For best results, refrigerate your cream caramel with jelly for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This ensures both layers are perfectly set and firm. To serve, carefully run a thin knife around the edges of the mold, then invert it onto a serving plate. Garnish with fresh berries or a sprig of mint for an elegant finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.